Hi everybody and welcome back. Just another little quickie video. My partner Eileens, she's been really busy today and she's planted a whole tray of red onion sets, culture they're called, and a whole tray of white onion sets, these are Stuttgart. She's also been busy, she's got greyhound cabbage, okra and all year round cauliflower planted in that row there. We've got coriander and parsley, spring onions and even Nancy carrots already sown in this tray here. So she's been quite busy today really. We've got garlic on this one, more onion sets on that one, and this is like basically patty pans, and the rest of it is all different types of peppers, sweet peppers and capsicums and stuff like that. So that's what she's been doing today, and I'm just going to clear that off because I've got some other little bits to do. Just to show you really, so I'll just move them out there, down their way. All goes into the old greenhouse lately, or it can just stay up on this table until we need it elsewhere. Right, so just an update on the radish. There seems to be quite healthy plants at the moment, not going too leggy or anything like that. Might maybe want a little bit of water. Well, they seem to be doing fine. Also got our lettuce, which you saw us prick out. I mean, they're turning into quite healthy little plants now. They're not too bad at all. They're doing really well. And obviously you saw us do our strawberries. Well, there they are. Look at those healthy little plants there. You know, they're looking really well and nice strong plants. So we're looking forward to planting them later on. But today, we're going to be planting some broad beans. Because obviously now is the time to plant broad beans. And I'm going to be planting a demonica, which is, they say, you can plant these now and they're ready as soon as the ones, if you plant them in November, these will be ready, plant now, the same time as the other ones would be. So, there's quite a few seeds in the packet. Obviously one or two are broke, so you'd have to discard some of those. And I've already pre-filled these seed trays. And I've got to make a big deep hole for these, because this is quite a large seed, and we don't want it pushing itself out the top now, do we? So just make a real deep hole with your finger, plenty good enough. Doesn't really matter which way you do these seeds. I mean, you could plant them on their side, like you do marrows and cucumbers. So I suppose that could be a good idea if I do them all the same like that. But normally I haven't found any problems with these, no matter which way you plant them. They all grow really well. So this will take a couple of weeks to actually come up. And that's the packet there. And basically earliest yield of all spring planting broad beans. So you reckon you should be able to sow February, April, harvest in May, which is not bad really. So I mean, I'm a little bit late sowing these. I should have sowed these last week, but that's all down to the weather really and the time available. We've had all them storms, haven't we? So, but I haven't quite prepared the ground yet for these to go in, nearly, but it's been too wet to get up there this weekend with all that rain non-stop every day. So that's one tray done. Just move it out of the way. And I've got another tray here to go. Exactly the same thing. Just make a hole with your finger and pop them in. So we should have some really early broad beans from this sowing. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, pre-soak the seeds for a day to try and increase the germination. But time to give them a water in, they don't really need it, I don't think. Nearly there. push them down there. Because remember, these going to make quite big plants, these are, so you want quite large, obviously, trays to put them in, otherwise the roots will be coming out before the plant's got any size, and that's really not what you want. Okay, right, that's the broad bean. I've got a label here, or two labels actually, one for that one and one for that one. So we'll just put them in now, and I'll just give them a quick sprinkle, just to water them in. I mean, that'll be more enough now to see him for a week, maybe a week and a half. And that's 2 rows of broad beans. Hopefully we'll be eating them May. So, that's okay, that's good. So I'll just move them out of the way. Another little thing we're going to plant today is the lily. Rose lily. We've got 3 of them in here. And it says on the packet that there's actually, they're pollen free, so they've got no stamen. You get all that pollen fall off and it stains everything anywhere. You know, if you've got them up on the windowsill, or you have to brush it with your clothes, and it's this bright yellow stuff you just can't get rid of. Well, apparently this particular one doesn't have any pollen, so I don't know how they actually breed it, but there you go. And it's time to sow it now, because it says on the packet, where is it? Anywhere between January, February, March and April. So we're right in the middle of the growing season for these, and quite healthy looking bulbs, nice little bit of root, can't see any rot anywhere. Same again, nice and healthy, can't see any rot. Actually it's just started to grow, that tip, just sort of see it there. Oh, you can see it even better on that one there. There's definitely a nice little growing tip there. So they should make some nice flowers actually. And this is a real nice colour. I like that. And basically what you do is just plant these. I've got a pot here ready made. I'm going to plant them near enough at the bottom, I suppose, quite deep. And I'm going to leave them in here until they actually flower and finish flowering. So dig a big hole. I'm only going to put 3 in the pot. It's more than enough. Should I trim the roots? Maybe that one. It's a little bit excessive, isn't it? But a lovely growing tip. Make sure you get them all down there. That's all. Just you can see it there. We'll cover it over in a minute. I think 3 in a pot that big is going to make quite a nice display. And there you go, just under the surface. I'll give that a nice water in. What I normally do is just put the label down the side really, but I might write a label as well. A little bit of water. Just to soak it in. I had to buy a new rose today because I lost the one for this one. So I went down to our local garden centre, and this here cost me £4.99, and I could buy a whole watering can with a new rose for £5.99. But I wanted quite a fine one, so I did actually buy just the hose. But anyway, that's good. Well, there we go. The rose lily. Just pop that in there so we know what it is. So we've done our broad beans, we've done our rose lily, we've shown you our radish, and we've shown you our lettuce, and I've shown you what Eileen's been doing today. And everything's doing really well. Nice to see you. See you on the next one. Bye then.